Hello everyone, welcome back to Amuday Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn to calculate interest on capital in different situations. So when you have to give interest on capital or when you no need to give interest on capital to the partner, that we will learn in this illustration. Right. So let us start reading the question. So Anupam and Abhishek are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3 is to 2. Fine. Their capital accounts showed a balance of rupees 1,50,000 and 2 lakh rupees. So Anupam has 1,50,000 balance as capital and Abhishek has 2 lakh rupees as balance capital. Fine. Fine. So the calculation of interest on capital for the year ending December 31st, 2020 in each of the following alternatives. So they have given some four cases. So we need to calculate interest on capital for these things. Fine. Yeah. The first one, what they have said. If the partnership deed is silent, if partnership agreement, whatever agreement the partners made, in that agreement, if they didn't mention anything about interest on capital, then what we need to do? So that is the part, that is the case here given. So interest on capital and the profit for the year is 50,000. Profit is there, but in agreement they didn't mention anything about interest on capital. So if there is nothing in the agreement regarding interest on capital, then the firm won't pay interest on capital. Understood? There is no interest on capital. Fine. Understood? Yes. Let us see. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital 8%, fine. And the firm is incurred a loss of rupees 10,000. The agreement also says can give 8% of interest on capital. But the thing is, the business got lost. In this case, also, there is no interest on capital. There is no interest on capital. If there is no deed, no interest on capital. If there is a loss, there is no interest on capital. If the agreement doesn't specify the interest, no interest on capital. That's it. Fine. Understood? Yeah. Let us see the C. Third one. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 8% per annum, fine agreement is specifying the interest rate and the firm earned a profit of rupees 50,000. In agreement also they have mentioned and the company has the profit also. So in this case we need to calculate the interest on capital. So let us see how much it comes out. See, what is the capital they have remaining? Anupam, it is 1,50,000 and Abhishek, he has 2 lakh capital balance. Fine. So what is the interest rate? 8%. So how much it will come out? We need to calculate for the whole year. There is nothing mentioned, introduced additional, nothing. No other things are there. So directly 8%. 12,000 Anupam, 2 lakh rupees into 8%. That is 16,000. So total it is 28,000 interest on capital. The company needs to pay the firm, whatever firm is there, it needs to pay to the partners. So what is the profit? What is the profit? We have 50,000 profit. Correct. Here it is given. So out of 50,000, if we pay 28,000 as interest on capital, 50,000 profit. Out of that, 28,000 paid to interest on capital. Then whatever remaining 22,000 is there, this will be shared among the partners. Shared among the partners as profit. Correct. find in their profit sharing ratio. Understood? C point, the C case or third case is done. Fine. So let us see the last case, that is fourth one, D. If the partnership deed provides for interest on capital 8%, deed is specifying 8%, and the firm earned a profit of rupees. Okay, while copying this, I didn't copy the amount. Okay, the profit was 14,000. Let us see. 14,000 is the profit. This question is there in your NCRT. You can check it out there. Okay, fine. D. What is the interest on capital the company needs to pay? If it is 8%, obviously the same 12,000, 16,000 they have to pay. So 12,000, 16,000 they have to pay. That is total 28,000. But the profit is only 14,000. So whatever we have to pay, that is more than the profit. Correct. So interest on capital we need to pay is 28,000, but the profit is only 14,000. So in this case, we will share whatever 14,000 profit is there, that we will share in this interest on capital ratio. So how we will find out? So three zeros cancelled, and let me write 12 is to 16 now. How three fours are, or four threes are, four fours are, four threes are, four fours are, will come out as 3 is to 4. Understood? Yes. Fine. So whatever 14,000 is there, whatever 14,000 is there for, who is the partner? Anupam and Abhishek. Whatever 14,000 profit is there, in this ratio only we have to share. I hope you are understanding. 3 by 7, 4 by 7. 3 plus 4, it is 7. 3 is their ratio. So we can share like this. Correct. Fine. So 14,000 is the profit. In that we will share 3 by 7. Anupam's share or interest on capital is 6,000, and 14,000 into 4 by 7 is 8,000 for Abhishek. So this is the interest on capital. Right. So understood. You can note it down, note down the question also, or else it is in the NCRT textbook. Fine. So that's it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask through comment or in Instagram DM. So all the links I have given in description along with the playlist links also, admission of partnership or this, everything I have given in description. Please do watch that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.